Hello and welcome back to another episode of Dummy Tech Talks.
Woo!
Well,
Heck yeah.
what are we doing today, Travis?
Today we are changing my oil pressure switch, sensor, sending unit, whatever you want to call it.
It's all the same thing.
Yeah.
So
use any of those, you'll figure out what it'll look up the right thing. Got the switch right here, and I got the socket that is specially designed for changing these. I think it's like a 1 7/16 socket, but it's deep and it's just the right size. Anyway, it's suggested. Makes life a lot easier if you have the right tools.
same thing with O2 sensors. Those are very, very specific.
Heck yeah. Well,
What is this, Travis? What are we working on again? Because I know you guys seen us do an air filter clean last time on the same vehicle.
this is a 2007 GMC Canyon. It's the same as the Chevy Colorado. I think it's 2006 to 2012 in that year, or in those model years. We're going to be having to remove the tire, the wheel, and this little panel up here, and get down into it to remove the switch, replace it, plug it all back in, maybe double check the connectors, make sure everything's good, and take care of it.
We're going to do it. We're going to get her done.
Yeah.
So here we go. Alright, so first things first, taking off the tire. Get your little pry tool here. Most of them you can use a screwdriver, doesn't matter, to get this little center cap off. So all you do is just tap it to it and it comes off.
And just like that, it's gone.
And it's done. That's it. Alright, so now we got to get the wheel off with the little adapter here and a cordless drill, impact drill. And no, you do not have to go in a star pattern when you're taking them off, only when it's going on. So now, everything put aside. Now we just pop the tire off. You ready? There you go. That's how it's done. So now the next step is to take off the shield on the inside and the fender well. So we need a screwdriver, flathead. Pop these babies out, because I don't have a flathead screwdriver. Let me go get that. Here's a screwdriver. So you just simply find the little slot inside the thing, kind of easily, because they are under the car, and they pop out like that. Usually don't fly away, but that happens. So the fender well is out and over there. So that little sensor right on top of that yellow right there, see the little green? That's what we gotta take out. So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna do that and give y'all the best view possible that I can without my phone burning up. And I'm gonna go ahead and unhook it, and that's it. Sensor is unhooked, and it is definitely oily. Definitely. So when I mean oily, I mean oily. I think Travis found something cool.
I want this. Look at this. It looks like a breaker bar.
What has he got us? What do you got?
It looks like a breaker bar, but it's just a ratchet. It's a wrench, but it adjusts up here.
Huh.
Yeah. Anyway, that's really cool.
New things every day. Sorry for the shakiness, guys. Setting the phone down.
See?
Well, let's get her out. Plug is unhooked, socket's going over, and it is nasty. And wow, that was really easy.
Yeah, they're not on there super tight.
So, don't need that. I'll twist it off by hand. It is actually pretty neat.
Want one?
Oh, oil. So, there is your sensor, and it is definitely old and used. So,
Here's a new one.
here is the new one, nice and shiny.
It's funny, they
So-
actually shipped me two, so if this doesn't work, we'll put the other one in.
Just slide it in the special socket it's got here. Boop. Maybe lube up here a little bit and replace it. hand twist it in.
Doesn't have to be too tight, just a little tighter than finger tight.
We'll stop right there at finger tight, and we will snug it up. Because this is a breaker bar, so we don't want to break anything. Alright, a little snug. Get this socket off. Come on. You got it. You got it. Oh, lost the socket. Gonna have to get it off by hand now. Alright, so my phone died. Sorry about that. So now we got the sensor in and everything. It's all kind of cleaned up. And
we're able to get the socket off.
we're gonna, yep, got the socket off. And now we're just gonna plug the sensor back in. Just like that. Make sure it's in. And done. That is a sensor. Now we just have to put the fender well cover back in. It's right over there. And we'll get back to you when that is in. Alright, well, fender well is back on and installed. And all the clips are back in place where they should have been. And locked in place. So now, tire time. And yes, I was using it as a seat. All right, tires installed. You wanna jack that thing up?
Mm-hmm.
I'll pull the gas.
All right, ready?
Nope.
Yep, out.
Nope.
Coming down.
Jack stand out. Truck coming down. All right, so we're gonna torque these babies in a star formation. Well, I guess it's a star. Here's a 6, mine's 5. So
Yeah, you just kind of jump from
whatever you
across
want to
and-
consider that.
So it this particular vehicle has to be torqued to 100 foot-pounds of torque. It says in the manual anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. You probably wouldn't hurt it by going a little over, but we're gonna go with what the factory recommends.
And just like that, that's done. Now, we just pop the old cover back on.
It lines up a specific way.
That one. All right, and give it a quick tap. And she done. That's it.
All right, thanks for watching.
Yep, it works and everything now.
Started it back up, nothing's on the dashboard. Gonna drive it around and just keep an eye on it, make sure it really does still work. I'm sure it does. But yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you like to see other tech things, computer stuff, car stuff, fun stuff, I don't know, whatever, unboxings, everything.
Yes, we'll have a few of those. So
Yeah.
now the fun part begins. We clean now. Yay. See you guys next time.